Moving on to 10th question. The largest tiger reserve in India. Valmiki, Periyar, Nagarhole, Nagarjun Sagar, Srisailam. Knowledge based, Nagarjun Sagar, Srisailam. Which of the following has maximum genetic diversity in India? Maximum genetic diversity. Mango, groundnut, wheat, and we know that it is rice. Rice has more than 10,000 varieties in India. Okay. 12th one. Which organization publishes the Red Data Book? It's a repetition of question. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. 13th question. Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? See, there are some hotspot of biodiversity. Hotspot means it's a place where there is maximum diversity of organism and they are under threat. Eastern Ghat, Gangetic Plain, Sundarban, Western Ghat, and we all know that the answer is Western Ghat. Moving on to 14th question. Yeah, it's an interesting question here. It's an interesting question. Select the correct statement about biodiversity. Okay, let us see which is the correct statement. One by one. First one, the desert areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat have very high level of desert animal species. Wrong. This is not correct. Large scale planting of BT cotton has no adverse effect on biodiversity. It has adverse effect. So that is also wrong. C. Western Ghats have very high degree of species richness, and that is true, and endemism hotspot. Yes, C is the correct answer. Fifth one. Sacred groves are specially useful in sacred groves. Okay, it is the example for in situ conservation. Generating environmental awareness, no. Preventing soil erosion, no. Year-round flow of water in river, no. Conserving rare and threatened species, correct. D is the correct answer. Moving on to 16. Which one of the following has the highest number of species? Fungi, bird, insect, angiosperm. It is insect. Insect is the correct answer. Let us move on to 17th question. It's a different kind of question here. Just see. Consider the following statement. A to B. Here statements are there. Okay. Actually it should be A to D, not B. A to D. Each with one or two blanks. Okay. And then which one of the following option gives the correct fill up for the respective blank number from 1 and 5 in the statement? Okay, we'll fill up this. Okay, I'll start from bears go into dash during winter. It should be hibernation. Winter to dash cold weather to escape. Escape cold weather. A conical edge pyramid with a broad base. If base is broad, represents expanding. So third should be expanding human population. A wasp pollinating pig flower is an example of both of them get benefited. Mutualism. An area with high level of species richness is known as hotspot. See. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all this matches in which of the option? It matches here in the option D. Moving on to question number 18. Biodiversity of a geographical region represents. Biodiversity of a geographical region represents endangered species found in region, the diversity in the organism. Yes, this can be genetic diversity in the dominant species of the region. No. Species endemic to the region. No. So the correct answer should be the diversity in the organism living in the region. Next, moving on to 19th question.